In today's video on Ebonyi People TV, we are diving into the untold story of how Aliko Dangote Cement took over the Nigerian cement industry, even when an Igbo billionaire, Cletus Ibeto, caused the price of cement to crash. So, what happened to Ibeto Cement? Why is it no longer a major player in the market? Stay tuned because you're about to get all the details. First off, we all know Aliko Dangote. He's been Africa's richest man for 13 years straight and is the wealthiest black man in the world with a net worth of around 13.4 billion US dollars as of 2024. But did you know that behind this success, there's a story of intense competition, alleged shady tactics, and a fight for control of the Nigerian cement industry? Back in the day, Ibeto Cement, owned by Igbo billionaire Cletus Ibeto from Anambra State, was Dangote's biggest competitor. As of 2013, Cletus Ibeto was worth about 3.7 billion US dollars, and he wasn't shy about shaking up the market. When President Olusegun Obasanjo encouraged local cement production, Ibeto stepped up and promised to flood Nigeria with cement at affordable prices, and he did just that. The price of cement crashed, and this obviously didn't sit well with Dangote Cement. Now, here's where things get really interesting. Allegedly, Aliko Dangote didn't take kindly to Ibeto's moves. He reportedly wrote a petition to President Obasanjo asking the government to block Ibeto from importing cement into the country. And guess what? The government responded by issuing a directive that stopped Ibeto from importing cement and pushed him to focus on local production instead. And the twist? Dangote Cement was still allowed to import cement during this period. Thousands of Ibeto Cement workers lost their jobs as a result during the period. So, what's the real story behind the fall of Ibeto Cement? How did Aliko Dangote manage to maintain a near monopoly on the Nigerian cement industry? Was it all business competition, or did Dangote really use his influence to block Ibeto from thriving? Things seemed to be looking up when late President Umaru Yar'Adua took over. Ibeto applied for another import allocation in July 2007, and this time it was granted. Once again, Ibeto flooded the Nigerian market with cement, crashing prices and offering relief to consumers. But Dangote wasn't about to let this slide again. He quickly filed a lawsuit accusing Ibeto Cement of getting unfair advantages from the government. This became the beginning of the downfall of the Ibeto Cement in Nigeria. And as always, this didn't keep Cletus Ibeto down. He's come back stronger and bigger, a true reflection of the resilient Igbo spirit. The Igbo people are known for their determination and perseverance, and Cletus Ibeto is no exception. In fact, he's made history by opening the first ever seaport in the southeast of Nigeria. Stay tuned to our channel for our next video, where we'll bring you all the exciting updates about this Igbo billionaire from Anambra State.
Well, even if we have the youth, the youth, even now future hope, or future hope, and you can know, or yet agam behind, retire, on a man who get you conform, Madam, no, Chiganamaz, the youth aware, the youth, Nedonanya, sir, say happy, say happy to say copy them. Even when the youth, the focused, each youth member should be focused. Can if you achieve no one, or we to where no awareness na neighbor na it focus if them might be a for if them to come to you or where in for it to come. Oh yeah, so I know youth, now you to my K-pop. All you to make it pop, and my challenge of my ties, Madam Mehanya, the other side. Only a man or the man on other so copy and the youth.